The Centre for Environmental Policy at Imperial is a jewel in the crown of Imperial. We are a small department, but full of interdisciplinary experts from different backgrounds who come together to produce evidence that will influence policy transitions towards sustainability.
CEP is sort of essentially addressing the problem of how can we sustainably manage the world, but they come at it from a very sort of social and human perspective. So there's lots of sort of like social research as well as conservation biology research. It's taking parts of social science with the more like hard sciences such as like biology and chemistry.
In the CEP, we are a postgraduate only department. Students can get into real depth of global policy. We have environmental economics. We have urban sustainable environments. We have the privilege to be able to offer a range of options that are directly relevant to the modern world and its future.
Being taught from world-leading researchers in the field of climate science more broadly has been an amazing opportunity to learn about the different facets of climate change during my MSc, but then also having the opportunity to learn more practically how that can be applied in policy making in the UK, but also beyond.
We tackle major global problems in many different ways. Our students participate in team challenges. They work with academics who are on the cutting edge of these issues in order to develop their own projects that help.
The Conservation Science and Practice course is extremely interdisciplinary. As well as becoming great scientists, our students learn how to become great practitioners. So we teach them the leadership and the management skills that they need to run conservation projects on the ground.
I'm trying to be involved in answering these big questions from my PhD research. For instance, I am working on heating policies for consumers and essentially trying to place consumers at the center of the heat transition as active agents for change. I like to think that my research can have impact for millions of people just because everyone is a heating consumer. I like to think that the work that we do at CEP can be scaled beyond, say, just urban England or beyond the UK.
If you find something you really enjoy, they'll encourage you to go and pursue it. I'm working on a project that is essentially seeing if we can use AI to synthesize evidence from research papers, and we're essentially just seeing how effective AI can be. The idea is that this can then inform decision makers and policy and just speed up the process essentially.
We support students in a number of different ways. We have a tutorial system where you get your own personal tutor, but we also support students' interests and help them develop their path in the world. We interact a lot with external speakers who come in, and we benefit from this huge alumnus body. We have about 6,000 people out there working in sustainability careers who come and who mentor our current students and often recruit from there as well.
They can work in consultancies, in NGOs, they can become incredible conservation scientists or even work in government. So we have a lot of people who come from overseas and go back to government jobs within their respective countries.
I've definitely gained a community of very curious, driven, and passionate individuals who are very keen to solve these grand environmental challenges in a lot of different ways. And I would definitely say that that's also been one of the biggest highlights of the CEP community, has been the friends that we've managed to make.